Hello everyone, welcome to one more episode of RSI Support and Resistance Strategy for Options Trading. Now here we are talking about today's chart, that is 25th Feb 2025, and let's directly jump into the strategy of yet another way of trading depending on how the candles are forming and how the RSI is moving. So here let's look at the 9:15 candle on a 3-minute time frame, and this is Nifty 22,500 call option. Why 22,500 call option? Because the market started today near this range, near this price, and hence I have taken the nearest strike price in the option. Okay, so here this red candle, first one, is not suitable at all for the trade, right? So if this candle is not good, I will not look into RSI. Or if you want to go the reverse way, which I prefer, I first look at the RSI section, how the lines are moving in RSI, whether it is trying to resist anywhere on 60 or it is trying to resist or take support near 40. Depending on if I find my edge over here, then I go to the candle and see it. So first is RSI analysis and then comes the candle analysis. Okay, so let me go as per my strategy and you can decide how you want to go. But I prefer that you also follow this strategy so that we both are in sync and we both know what works better. Okay, so the first candle and first RSI movement is not matching our requirement. Now let's come down, go to the next candle. This candle is also not suitable because it has a very big body, small upper wick and a comparatively larger bottom wick. Not suitable. This is again not suitable. This is kind of a dodgy. Here I will not say that you can take this trade because the candle is not good first. The second candle is good. Okay, the second green candle that I am moving my cursor around is good. But again, the RSI is not forming as per any support near 40 and 60, upper limit and lower limit. Okay, so let's skip that as well. Now let's go further. No support, no resistance, no support, no resistance. Same here, went sideways. No support, no resistance. Big candle, but no support, no resistance. Okay, if this would have formed somewhere here at the upper limit 60, I would have taken that trade, here on this candle, but it's not. So I will just skip it. Coming down, nothing. Now here you will say that, this candle, let's say this candle is good. Comparatively to all the other candles, it has a good size body, good sized upper wick and lower wick, and plus it took a support down here. Okay. As per this strategy, this entire, if you forget about what happened in the past few minutes and only look at this, you will find this trade to be good, right? This one. And you will think that I should buy above the high or buy at the closing. And then from here, the market can go up, like, because it's a game of probability, right? So you might think that it might go up from here. But don't forget what I have taught in the previous videos. There are some things that we need to keep in mind before deciding whether this is a good support or whichever resistance is good or not. So what I usually want when I look for a good support is this RSI line. Previously the RSI should come or should start from somewhere near 60, upper limit 60. And then it should keep coming down from up to down. Okay. Now what happened here is it came from down to up. It went sideways in between 60 and 40 and then it resisted. So I will not take this trade. Do not go for such trades where the RSI movement does not, for I'm talking about the buy signal especially for supports. Do not take such trades where the RSI is not coming from above 60 to below 60 and then resisting somewhere here near 40. So I will not take this trade. Okay. So here I did not take the trade. Here I did not take the trade. Again, I did not find anything specific to be taken here. Again, here, see the price is moving and it looks like we can take trades here. But according to this strategy, you cannot. It's as simple as that. You cannot mix two strategies. You cannot be confused about whether you are going with some other strategy or RSI support and resistance strategy that I follow, okay, and you follow. So stick to one strategy for at least 3 to 6 months. Follow the same strategy and forget about losing. Don't have that fear of losing out. Okay, don't trade with FOMO. All right. So I'll not take this trade here. I'll go ahead. Nothing good till now, and here the market is still moving around, right? And I still don't see any support and resistance here, but something might build up in the coming section, so we'll wait and watch. Now here, as I'm not getting any trade in the, at the call side, I have decided to open the put side chart and check if there is any trade available over here as per the support and resistance 60-40 strategy. So here I see that it's trying to resist at the level 40. Let me mark it for you. It's trying to resist at this level, but let's see if it does somewhere here or here, and if there is a tick down from here from the RSI 40 level and the candle that is formed is as per our strategy, as per our requirement, only then we will think of going for a trade. Otherwise we'll wait. It's not necessary that you get your trades, your edge, your setups every day, but whenever you get it, as per all the 2-3 parameters that you have set for yourself for your strategy, go ahead and take that trade and be strict with your stop loss, be strict with your exit at the beginning. If you're a beginner, be strict with your exits as well, and take your profits. Just don't leave it on the table and think that the market will keep going in your direction. Okay, so it's setting up right now. Let's see where this candle ends and what kind of a body and wicks it forms. It's looking positive till now. So not such a great candle again, not able to take any trade today. Body is big. I don't see two wicks up and down. I mean two equal wicks. Otherwise the body was good. Just the wicks are missing. Let's go back to the call side and check it out. No setup yet. Okay, so we saw that how to be patient, how to not trade when the setup is not formed, trading randomly will end up in a negative scenario, in a negative day. So it's better you trade as per the strategy, and if you still lose something, that will be a very minimal amount as per the strategy. So wait for the right setup and then continue trading every day, every moment, in any market that you work with. All right. So if you have learned anything today, and if your knowledge is adding up every day from my videos, I request you all to share the video with your friends who wish to enter the market, who are beginners, who are already trading but need a better strategy to trade. So share it, like it, and also subscribe, because I'll be putting more videos on more strategies related to RSI support and resistance. All right, see you in the next video.